My name is Jackie and I am CEO of Prince Adventures, and here is our full resort impression of Couples Tower Isle in Ocho Rios, Jamaica. As a travel advisor at Prince Adventures, I always encourage clients to consider the value of their vacation, not just the price. When you book an adults-only, all-inclusive resort vacation, you're getting incredible value for your money. It's not just about the initial cost, it's about what's included in that price. At an all-inclusive resort, your meals, drinks, activities, and sometimes excursions are covered. That means no surprise bills at checkout or constantly calculating how much you're spending on extras throughout your trip. You can fully relax and indulge knowing that everything's taken care of. The difference between value and price is simple. Price is the upfront cost, but value is what you actually get for that cost. It's a stress-free way to enjoy a high-end vacation without worrying about the budget every step of the way. At Prince Adventures, we are a travel agency and we can work with travelers at any budget. Please do not hesitate to reach out today to speak about your next all-inclusive vacation by emailing travel@princeadventures.com. We are a travel agency based in Canada, and we have a team of advisors ready to serve you. We want you to have the best vacation possible, and when you reach out to us to start planning your vacation, we can pair you with the correct all-inclusive resort that fits your travel style, needs, budget, and wants. Why not work with an advisor you can trust who can help you make informed choices about your next all-inclusive vacation? We look forward to hearing from you and hope you have safe travels everywhere you go. Take care. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe.